What a tune by players to sing a song for the governor of California. Ronald Reagan.
In this corrupt world, blacks don't cause the call of state. No enemy, we were torn after day. People direct to get the judgment day. Stop this so-called democracy. Time to share all black history.